Hello everyone. We are going to start dropshipping business in USA. So we are offering you all every kind of dropshipping strategies. As you know, the Amazon dropshipping, Walmart dropshipping, eBay and many others like Shopify dropshipping and Alibaba too. We also manage many kind of seller central like eBay seller, Amazon seller, Walmart seller, and we can make $5K to $100K profit per month. If you want to learn dropshipping, you can message us on WhatsApp, Facebook, and you can also subscribe on our YouTube channel. If you want to make profit, as you've seen in our screen that we are managing Amazon Sales Central. So you can see 30 minutes ago the order came, and 25 minutes there you can see that many orders. You can see also the unshipped products, so many, and you can see your profit margin. You can see the orders, you can see huge orders. If you see the dates, if you note that it is just from this month, and today you can see that total profit is, you can see that net profit is here $5,000 in 11 days. You can see the others product as like the sheep product. Here's all things you need to know. So if you want to make profit, as you see in your screen, you can give us your store or sales central account to manage. And thanks for being with us.